Kevin, here's your 408 Swamp Walk Ford. Got that dyno in it, everything went great. We had to put the other covers on it here, covers over there, they hit the rocker arms, so we'll try to figure something out for you. Everything ran good though. It's got the M manifold on it, TFI, Holley Terminator X, custom ground cam, set of our heads on it. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3,500, 472 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 485, peaks horsepower 463. We rated it 450. It's got a front end on it, so everything's good. Get her off there. I think we're putting this in a car for you, so we'll get her out to the car shop. Have a great day.